In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to show 18+ content on Telegram. To turn on this option, we are not going to use the Telegram application. Instead, you'll want to head to any browser of your choice. If you're using Safari or any browser, go to web.telegram.org. Now, make sure to log into your Telegram account. I've already logged into mine. It's very easy, just enter your phone number and the verification code sent to your Telegram app. Assuming you're now on your home page, do the following. Tap the 3 lines at the upper left corner. Go to Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Sensitive Content section. Under Disable Filtering, make sure to check this box. After that, refresh the tab, and once it's done, head back to your Telegram app. You should now be able to view sensitive content in groups and chats without restrictions. And that's it. That's how easy it is to show 18+ content on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.